Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fwog token. It's just like Frog, but instead of a R, it is a W, and this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. It was just announced that this token will be getting a couple very big central exchange listings as well. And we're going to go over the information on the Fwog token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there's already a ton of knockoff tokens. This is a very popular project right now. So this one's spelled FWOG, but I see other tokens TROG, which is like Trump Frog. There's like FLOG Fwog. There's like so many knockoff tokens that have come out because this token is doing so well right now. Very brand new token as well. Basically just came out 9 hours ago, according to Dex Screener. And they are trending number 3 right now on Dex Screener with a $25.6 million market cap. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $62.4 million. Doing very well, this project. They have $796,000 in liquidity in Raydium. And token price today is about 2.6 cents per token. Also, according to Dex Screener, 99.32% of their total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. And yeah, in the past 24 hours, this token is up 37,743%. In the past 6 hours, it's up 113%. Basically, everything's in the green right here. And they've had 80,752 transactions, according to Dex Screener. Just came out 9 hours, 33 minutes ago. It says, this is a CTO. It says a community takeover. There's a banner of community takeover. It says, in the ashes of a community, a community emerged, a new flag, a more based Fwog, a Fwog. Fwog has no dev, it is the community. So they're saying that the dev is out of the picture, and this is a community takeover token, a CTO. And there's Chog here, there's Dwog, there's all these Mwog, you name it. There's tokens basically just trying to copy this token here. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on at least two big central exchanges. One of them is Lbank, and the other one is Bitmart. So I saw both of those today, and I'm going to assume that there's going to be more listings in the future as well. So basically, if you don't have a Bitmart or Lbank account and you're looking to use those, you could download Lbank or Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get them on your PC. Then you would open an account on Bitmart or Lbank, and then you would fund your account with USDT. And then it says this token will be listed starting today, July 30th at 7:30 a.m. UTC time on Lbank. You'll be able to get this token. So then you would go into the trade section and search FWOG. And then simply just buy the token. Now I'll have to have a look to see what the Bitmart listing time is, but that's the Lbank listing time. Now you can also get this token off of decentralized exchanges. So it is available on Raydium, Jupiter, Orca, or Meteora. So those are 4 different dexes that you could use. There's I'm sure more where you can get this token. And you can see the Bitmart announcement here. There it is right there. So it's being listed today at 12 p.m. UTC time on Bitmart. So the Lbank one comes first. Then we have Bitmart. But let's say Bitmart or Lbank is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange. You could use your Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet, or Trust wallet. So you would fund those wallets with Sol, and you could fund them from a central exchange. There's a list of central exchanges down there in the description box. It also says this token is followed by Coinex Global. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, at Fwog. So there is a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. I'm going to assume that this token is very big, and it's going to be listed on almost all the exchanges in the description box down there, especially Coinex Global. But yeah, decentralized way to get this token. Fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official Twitter, which is right here in the pinned tweet. They have the contract address. So you could just go to that Twitter right there, which is at Fwog. Look in the pinned tweet, use that contract address, and trade your Sol for the Fwog token. They have 3,117 Twitter followers. And yeah, it says, in the ashes, a community emerged, a new Fwog, a more based Fwog, a Fwog. And they have the Telegram link and Deck Screener link also in the pinned tweet there. So there looks like they have 2 different Telegrams here. Let's try to open those up, see if they're different here. One of them is just a mess of numbers, and the other one is at Fwog Portal. So the Fwog Portal has 1,013 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's a great place to see updates. And then the other one, in the pinned tweet there, which is kind of like a mess of numbers and letters, has 3,962 members. 1,562 of them are online. That's the community chat one. So that's going to be a great place to see updates, but also talk to community members about the project to learn more. So yeah, this token's trending right now, number 3 on Deck Screener. I'm sure it's trending on Dex Tools and Bird Eye and other places as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.